Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the last video we have discussed the section C problems of this question paper, that is /4/1 set 1. Now in this video we'll discuss some of the section D problems. So let's see section D problems. In section D, 32A question is: the sides of right angle triangle are such that the longest side is 4 meters more than the shortest side and the third side is 2 meters less than the longest side. Find the length of each side of the triangle. Also, find the difference between the numerical values of area and the perimeter of the given triangle. So here right angle triangle is given, and it is given that longest side is 4 meters more than the shortest side, and the third side is 2 meters less than the longest side. So let's try to find it. Let's take a right angle triangle. ABCD. ABC. So right angle at B. So here let us think that AB is the shortest side. Let AB is shortest side, and it is equals to some x. So definitely hypotenuse is the longest side. So what it is given, longest side is 4 meters more than the shortest side. Longest side is 4 meters more than the shortest side. So here the longest side, the longest side AC is equals to 4 meters more than the shortest side, means it will be equals to x plus 4. And the third side, BC is the third side, and it is 2 meters less than the longest side. So BC will be equals to, longest side is already x plus 4. Now it is 2 meters less, minus 2. Now this will be equals to x plus 4 minus 2. Now it is equals to x plus 2. So longest side is x plus 4 and the third side is x plus 2. Now from the Pythagoras theorem we know that the relation between the three sides is square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So from Pythagoras theorem we can write square of hypotenuse AC square is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides, AB square plus BC square. So here AC longest side is x plus 4 and AB is shortest side, which is x square. BC is x plus 2 whole square. So x plus 4, let's expand x plus 4 with a plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into x into 4 is equals to x square. Now x plus 2 whole square, expand with a plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 of x of 2. Now x square plus 4 square is 16 plus 2 into x into 4. 8x is equals to, so here we have what we have, x square plus x square is equals to 2x square plus 2 square is 4, and 2 into x into 2, that will be equals to 4x. So send all left side things to right side. Now we will have only 0 on the right left side, so it is equals to 2x square plus 4 plus 4x. If we set all left side things to right side, it becomes minus x square plus minus 16 minus 8x. Now let's add the like terms. So 2x square minus x square, it is equals to 1x square plus 4x minus 8x, it is equals to minus 4x plus 4 minus 16, that will be equals to minus 12. So x square minus 4x minus 12 is equals to 0. So to factorize this one, so we have to multiply the coefficient of x square 1 and constant term minus 12. So 1 into minus 12 is minus 12. The factors of 12 must be such that if we multiply we should get minus 12, if you add we should get middle term minus 4. So what are the suitable factors? Minus 6 into 2 is minus 12, minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. So let's split this minus 4x as minus 6x plus 2x. So x square, this minus 4x can be rewritten as minus 6x plus 2x minus 12 is equals to 0. So we can take x common from the first two terms. If we take x common from the first two terms, we will have x of x minus 6, and you can take 2 common from the next two terms, we will get 2 of x minus 6 equals to 0. So again, if we take x minus 6 common, now we will have x minus 6 of x plus 2 is equals to 0. So we can write this as x minus 6 is equals to 0, or x plus 2 is equals to 0. If you send minus 6 to the right side, becomes x is equals to plus 6, and if you send plus to the right side, becomes x is equals to minus 2. So as the length can't be negative, we can't take the shortest side is minus 2. So here x is the shortest side, that is AB. So AB is 6 meters. The longest side AC, which is equals to x plus 4, that means 6 plus 4, 10 meters. And the third side BC is 2 meters less than the longest side. Longest side is 10, so therefore it is 2 meters less, means 10 minus 2. So it is equals to 8 meters. So now we have to find the area of the triangle, and we have to find the perimeter of the triangle. Let's redraw it here. ABC. So here we got this is 6, this is 8, this is 10. Now area is nothing but half into base into height, half into, here BC is the base and height is AB. Because angle at B is 90 degrees, therefore any one, this AB or BC can be base, other can be height. So half into base into height. So now this will be equals to half into base 8, height 6. So 2 ones are 2 threes are 8 threes are 24 meters square. And perimeter is nothing but sum of the three sides. Perimeter of this triangle is nothing but sum of the three sides. So that will be equals to AB side plus BC side plus AC side. AB is 10, sorry, AB is 6 plus BC is 8 and AC is 10. Total 24 meters. So we have to find the difference between these numbers. So the difference between area and perimeter, what is the difference? The numerical values of area is 24 and perimeter numerical value is 24, so it is equals to 0. That's it. So this is the solution for this question. So now 32b question is, so what is the 32b question? Express the equation x minus 2 by x minus 3 plus x minus 4 by x minus 5 equals to 10 by 3 as a quadratic equation in standard form. Hence find the roots of the equation. So first of all we have to express in quadratic equation and then express in standard what is that find the roots. So let's write what is given. So it is given that x minus 2 by x minus 3 is equals to, sorry, it is plus, right? Plus x minus 4 by x minus 5 is equals to 10 by 3. So now in the LHS cross multiply the terms. That means this x we have to multiply x minus 2 and x minus 5, and here also we have to multiply x minus 3 and x minus 4, and the denominator should be the product of the denominators. So now we can write it as x minus 2 into x minus 5 plus x minus 4 of x minus 3 whole by product of denominators x minus 3 of x minus 5. So RHS will be same. So this will be equals to 10 by 3. Next multiply here. Multiply these x into x square, x into minus 5 minus 5x, minus 2 into x minus 2x, minus 2 into minus 5 plus 10. Next here multiply these two, x into x square, x into minus 3 minus 3x, minus 4 into x minus 4x, minus 4 into minus 3 plus 12 whole by, so multiply the denominators these two, x into x square, x into minus 5 minus 5x, minus 3 into x minus 3x, minus 3 into minus 5 plus 15 equals to 10 by 3. Now so add the like terms in the denominator here, x square it is equals to 2x square. Next minus 5x minus 2x minus 7x, minus 7x minus 3x minus 10x and minus 4x minus 14x. Next what do we have like terms? Plus 10 plus 12, it is plus 22. So in the denominator what do we have? X square, only one like term here. Next minus 5x minus 3x is minus 8x plus 15 equals to, so 10 by 3. Now cross multiply the terms. That means what I mean is bring these 3 to the left side. So we have to multiply with this numerator and send this denominator to the right side and multiply with the 10. So now the equation becomes like this: 3 of 2x square minus 14x plus 22 equals to 10 of x square minus 8x plus 15. So 3 into 2x square, 6x square, 14 3 is 42, 42x, 3 into 22, 66 equals to 10 into x square, 10x square minus 80x, 10 into 8, 80x, so 10 into 15, 150. So do one thing, send all the left side things to right side. We will have only 0 on the left side. Now we will have 10x square, 80x plus 150. Now send my 6x square right side becomes minus 6x square, minus 42x will become plus 42x, and plus 66 will become minus 66. So now it will be equals to 0 is equals to, now add the like terms, 10x square minus 6x square will be equals to 4x square. Next, what are the like terms? Minus 80x plus 42x, it is minus 38x, I think. Yes. So next, plus 150 minus 66, how much it will be? 84 plus 84. Now this can be written as 4x square minus 38x plus 84 is equals to 0. So you can take 2 common from all the terms. If you take 2 common here, we will have 2x square, here 19x, and here it is a 42 equals to 0. If you send this 2 to the right side, becomes 0 by 2. Definitely this 0 by 2 will become equal to 0. So otherwise we can write like this: 2x square minus 19x plus 42 is equals to, if you send 2 to the right side, 0 by 2. Now again we can get 2x square minus 19x plus 42 is equals to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation. So we have to factorize this, we have to find the zeros of this quadratic equation, or roots of this quadratic equation. Let's find it. For that we need to multiply the coefficient of x square 2 and constant term 42, so it is equals to 84. The factors of 84 must be such that if we multiply we should get plus 84, and if we add the middle term we should get 19. So what are the suitable factors? Let's factorize 84. Prime factorize 242, 221, 37. So here 2 into 2 into 3, 12. So 12 into, otherwise minus 12 into minus 7 is plus 84, minus 12 plus minus 7 is equals to minus 19. So let's rewrite the middle term here. 2x square is minus 19x can be written as minus 12x minus 7x plus 42 is equals to 0. Now from the first two terms you can take 2x common. If we take 2x common, we will have x minus 6. If we take minus 7 common, we will have x minus 6 equals to 0. So x minus 6 of 2x minus 7 is equals to 0. So now this we can write it as x minus 6 is equals to 0 or 2x minus 7 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 6 and send minus 7 to the right side becomes plus 7 and this 2 to the right side becomes 7 by 2. So the zeros are the roots are, therefore the roots of the given equation are 6 and 7 by 2. So these are the roots. Next 33A question is the corresponding sides of triangle ABC, triangle PQ are in the ratio 3 is to 5. So the corresponding sides of these two triangles are in the ratio 3 is to 5 and it is given that already AD perpendicular to BC here, AD perpendicular to BC, PS perpendicular to QR as shown in the figure. And what we have to prove? We have to prove that triangle ADC. So this one triangle ADC is similar to triangle PSR. So this is the first one. And if AD is 4, second question, find the length of PS. So we need to find the length of PS using second result. So after finding the PS using that result, find the area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle PQR. So we have to find the ratio of these two triangles. First of all, write what is given. So the ratio of corresponding sides are in 3 is to 5, right? So that means when the triangles sides ratios are same, definitely these triangles are similar. Let's draw the figures. Triangle ABC, where this AD perpendicular to BC, second triangle PQR, where PS perpendicular to QR. So what is given here? It is given corresponding sides are proportional. Means what are the corresponding sides? AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR is equals to AC by PR. So all are equals to 3 by 5. The corresponding sides are in the ratio 3 is to 5. So what is the first thing that we have to prove? First thing that we have to prove is we have to prove that triangle ADC is similar to triangle PSR. So let's find this one. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PSR. Proof. Yes. So let's compare the triangle ADC, this one, triangle ADC, triangle PSR. So the first thing is anglet D is equals to anglet S because both are 90 degrees. So let's compare in triangle ADC and in triangle PSR. Anglet D means angle ADC is equals to angle at S means angle PSR. So because both are 90 degrees. And anglet C is equals to anglet C. Why anglet C is equals to anglet C? Because so these are the corresponding sides of similar triangles. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR because their corresponding sides are proportional. So we can write as angle C is equals to angle R. The reason that you have to mention here is, so since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR because their corresponding sides are proportional. So what you have to write? Their corresponding sides are proportional, means we have AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR is equals to AC by PR, all are equals to 3 by 5. So by triplets similarity, both the triangles are similar. So therefore these two triangles are similar. When the triangles are similar, we know that corresponding angles are equal. So that is how angle C is equals to angle R. So now in both these triangles, in triangle ADC, in triangle PSR, two angles are equal. So therefore by angle similarity, by double A similarity, therefore triangle ADC is similar to triangle PSR. This is by angle similarity. So angle similarity. So we know that this is the first thing, right? So what is the second thing that we have to prove? So what is the second one? The second one is, so it is given that if AD is 4, then find the length of PS. So if AD is 4, we have to find the length of PS. Yes. So we know that when these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are similar, proportional. We can write like this: AD. So AD by PS. AD by PS is equals to, corresponding sides are proportional, DC by SR is equals to AC by PR. So AC by PR. Now what it is given? AD is 4 centimeters. So it is given, first of all, why these are, because we have tried the reason. Triangle ADC is similar to triangle PSR. So AD is already given here, 4 centimeters. PS we have to find, and we don't know the DC and PR value. Just let's take this only. We know the AC by PR ratio. So AC by PR is equals to 3 by 5, right? So DC by SR we don't know, but AD by PS, AD is 4 and PS, that's what we have to find. AC by PR, this one already given, the ratio of corresponding sides are similar. Corresponding sides of similar triangles is 3 by 5, it is already given, and we have to write that one. And send PS right side and 5 left side. So this PS right side and 5 left side, now it becomes 4 into 5 is equals to 3 into PS. Again bring 3 to the left side, now it becomes 4 into 5 by 3 is equals to PS. So otherwise we can write it as PS is equals to 4 into 5, 20 by 3 centimeters. So PS is equals to 20 by 3 centimeters. So what is the third one that we have to find? We have to find the ratio of area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle PQR. Right. Let's redraw the triangles here. Triangle ABC, and this is AD. So triangle PQR, and this is PS. Now already AD is 4, PS is already, we found it 20 by 3. So now how do we get the ratio of these two triangles? So we will get like this: area of triangle ADC by area of triangle ADC by area of triangle PQR. Sorry, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR. So area of triangle ABC, half into base is BC and height is AD, by area of triangle PQR. So area of triangle ABC is half into BC into base BC into height AD. Now area of triangle PQR is half into base QR into height PS. So let's do cancellations if possible. Half gets cancelled. So what are the remaining things? So remaining things are BC by QR. Sorry, we can write like this: BC into AD by QR into PS. Okay, now we can separately write like this. How? This one we can write like this: BC by QR into AD by PS. So AD by PS. So BC by QR, ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles. Already it is given as a 3 by 5. Into AD by PS. So here AD is already given 4 and PS is 20 by 3. Now this equation becomes like this: 3 by 5 into, so this 20 by 3 will get reversed. Now it becomes 4 into 3 by 20. So reciprocal of 20 by 3 is 3 by 20. Now if let's rewrite like this: multiply all the numerators, 3 into 4 into 3, and product of denominators 5 into 20. Now do cancellations if possible. 4 5s are 20, and I think cancellations are not possible. 3 into 3 9, 5 into 5 is 25. So therefore we can write like this. So what? Therefore area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle PQR is equals to 9 is to 25. So this is the answer. So the next question is 33B question. This one, the state basic proportionality theorem. So we have to write the basic proportional theorem. Use it to prove the following. If the three lines L, M, N are intersected by transversals Q and S, here L, M, N, these are parallel lines. They are intersected by two transversals Q and S. So what you have to find? We have to find AB by BC is equals to D by F. So AB by BC is equals to D by F. So this is what we have to find. So let's write what is given. Let's redraw the figure. So this is Q and this is S, and these are, what are the lines? This is A, B, C, D, E, F. Now these are L, M, N. So these are parallel lines. So what is given here? It is given that first thing, L is parallel to M is parallel to N, and second thing is Q and S are transversals. So they are transversals. So what we have to prove? It is required to prove that AB by BC is equals to D by EF. So AB by BC is equals to D by EF. Now for that we have to do one thing. Prove join A and F. So let's join A and F. Yes. So this A and F is, this AF intersects this the line M at G, or some G. Okay, it will be, let it be G. Okay. Now let's take triangle ABF, ACF. So let's take triangle ACF. This one ACF. In triangle ACF, BG is parallel to CF. BG parallel to CF. So what is the basic proportion theorem? If a line is drawn in a triangle, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then that line is parallel to the third side. Right. Sorry. That then that line divides the other two sides in the same ratio. What is the basic proportional theorem? According to basic proportional theorem here, BG is parallel to CF. Why BG is parallel to CF? Because M is parallel to N. So we can write like this. In triangle ACF, in triangle ACF, we can say BG is parallel to AF. So here you can mention the basic proportional theorem. So according to basic proportional theorem, we can write like this. In a triangle, if a line is drawn parallel to one side, if a line is drawn parallel to one side, to intersect other two sides in distinct points, to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So this is what the basic proportional theorem. That means when BG is parallel to here, so when this BG is parallel to EF, then this BG divides AC side and AF side in the same ratio. That means we will get AB by BC is equals to AG by GF. Okay, let's write. So we will get AB by BC is equals to, so we will get AB by BC is equals to AG by GF. So let this equation 1, and this is by basic proportionality theorem. Now let's again take the triangle. So what is the triangle that we have to take? Triangle AFD. Let's take the triangle, this one, AFD. So in this AFD, GE is parallel to AD. Why G is parallel to AD? Because L is parallel to M. So you can write like this. So in triangle AFD, in triangle AFD, GE is parallel to AD. So because it is already given in the problem. So by basic proportional theorem, so this GE divides other two sides in the same ratio. What are the other two sides? So this GE divides AF side and DF side in the same ratio. That means you will get AG by GF is equals to DE by EF. So we can write like this. So according to basic proportional theorem, we can write AG by GF is equals to DE by EF. So let this equation 2, and this is also by basic proportional theorem. So if you observe equations 1 and 2, what is it equal? It is in equation 1 it is equal to AG by GF. In equation 2 also it is equal to AG by GF. When these are equal, so we can write like this from equations 1 and 2. So from equations 1 and 2, you can write like this: BC by AB by BC. So this one, these two will be equal. AB by BC will be equals to DE by EF. So DE by EF. So this is what we have to prove, and we got it. Hence proved. Right, this is the solution for this question.